take this cap off, then grab the cover and just slide it off and out of the way. You can put the cap back on just so you don't drop anything in there. Pop this hose off right here, just push down on that tab. Slide that off. You can slide that out of the way. Then take these worm clamps off here, use an 8mm socket. Loosen those up. Grab this, slide it out, and slide it off. Disconnect this connector right here and just slide this tab out, push down, and slide that off. Now around the outside of the air filter box, there is screws. Use a T25 socket. Loosen those up. And grab the air box and slide it right out. Grab the air filter, take it out, slide the air filter in place. Take the air box, slide that in place. Make sure you don't crush the washer hose over here. It's pretty common to crush that. And that's all in place and the washer hose is out of the way. We'll start tightening down the bolts. Connect the connector, lock it down, put the snorkel on. Get that lined up. Before we tighten this down, just take this hose, make sure everything lines up. Slide that into the valve cover and then slide this on. Lock it down, so you want it about there. Looks good. And tighten down the worm clamps. And take this cover, slide the oil cap off, slide the cover back on, lock it down, put the oil cap back on.